If you want to get Facebook Lite on your Huawei P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to get this application on the second smartphone with the Play Store, and if you get it, after that we have to open the phone clone application on the both smartphones. Select this is the old phone on your phone with the Play Store, and this is the new phone on your P40 Lite 5G. Select the old phone type, so in my case it's also Huawei. Right now we can connect in two ways. We can scan this code, but also we can input the password manually. So you have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. On select here, other things, go at the bottom to find the apps and the data. And right now just scroll down until you find the Facebook Lite. And it's right here, so select, click OK, tap transfer, click OK one more time, input your current log method, click OK, finish, and right now we can check if it is working. So here it is, and as you can see right now we can easily log into our account, or just create a new. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.